This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your school email for Canva Pro. First, ensure your school email is active and you meet Canva for Education's eligibility criteria. Then, navigate directly to the Canva for Education registration page. This process allows students and educators to access premium features at no cost, enhancing their creative projects significantly. It's a straightforward way to unlock powerful design tools for academic use. Once on the registration page, carefully enter your active school email address into the designated field. Proceed to complete the entire registration form, providing all necessary personal and institutional details accurately. After submission, promptly check your email inbox for a verification message from Canva. This crucial step ensures your account is properly linked to your educational institution. Upon receiving the verification email, click on the provided link to confirm your account. You might then be prompted to upload additional documentation, such as a clear photo of your student ID or official proof of enrollment. Be patient as Canva reviews your application. This typically takes a few business days. Once approved, you will gain full access to all Canva Pro features. With your Canva Pro for Education account active, you can now explore an extensive library of premium templates, exclusive fonts, and millions of design elements. Take advantage of advanced tools like the Brand Kit to maintain consistent branding and the Content Planner for scheduling posts. Collaborate seamlessly on projects with classmates and teachers, making group work much more efficient and visually appealing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.